Well, looks like it snowed all night last night. We woke up to some fresh snow. The onsen last night was outstanding. Outside in the cold, hot, hot spring. Felt really good. After breakfast, we're going to head to Shirakawa-go, which is about maybe an hour from here under normal conditions, but we'll see how long it takes us to make it there, and hopefully we don't have any issues. They haven't cleared the road yet, so we shall see. Well, here's our car covered in snow, and we're kind of hoping that I don't have to put on the chains. Quite hard now. It's coming down nice. Luckily our hotel is here in town with a nice hot onsen, I'm pretty sure, and I'll thaw out tomorrow, later tonight. But yeah, it's snowing quite hard, and hopefully tomorrow we can make it out without a problem to our next destination towards Nagano. We're gonna stay at by the monkey park for a night, and then we're going to go to Nagano for 2 nights, and then Matsumoto for another 2 nights. We kind of make our way back home after that slowly with a couple other stops. Knock on wood, hopefully everything turns out okay. Hopefully we don't have any issues. I think Choco's inside here. Yeah, sure enough, she's in there looking at stuff, the souvenir store, and I'm going to go in there myself too. What? Did I have a bunch of snow in it?
That's what clean up right here.
No. She's like, no, see, now freaking glasses fogged up, I can't see anything. What did you buy?
My brother on the sake.
Your brother sake you just bought?
No, that one is different package.
Are you condoning drinking too much for your brother?
No, and I got one for kayak-san.
Oh, for kayak-san, oh, okay. You should get something for the Ryokan and Sako too. They're the ones out there freezing the butts off, doing all the work. I'm pretty sure that kayak-san is earning his pay, but for sure. Especially since they're out there working while we are here having fun. Well, I mean, my hands are cold.
What? 風でまっすぐじゃなくてあっち、
Oh!
あっちに行って。すごいね。
Yeah, she's saying that the ice hanging from the roof is actually facing inwards, I guess because of the snow, the wind. Whoa! That just came down on its own. It almost hit them. So you shouldn't walk too close to the... No, I'm just saying that one just slid right down.
That's
Oh,
what
to
we
keep
have
the
a
people
fence.
from. Oh,
So you don't get so close to it.
cafe. See how they do.
どこがエントランスなんだろう。
So you have these little protectors there for the snow. Yeah, so these thatch houses have been, or this town, well, I should say the thatch house has been here since the 1800s, I read. And they were used for, on the top, for to make silk and then gunpowder back in the day.
There's gonna be the white smoke.
And if anyone is wondering if it's cold, yeah, it's cold. It's cold, but it's not that windy, so that's the good part. I've been much colder in Germany back in my young days in the army, in the field, in Grafenwehr and Holzfels, or just living in town. What are you getting?
You want that?
Sure.
Get up. Come on.
Is there a place to eat here? I guess right there. So here in Japan, it's not polite to eat and walk. So if you buy something, you are expected to kind of pull over to the side and eat your food. And that's what I'm about to do right now. Yummy, yummy, yummy. You look a little cold. Do you think they have any shrines for Goshuin?
They have a,
That's not a shrine, but
but I don't think they have a.
what do you mean you don't think they have a Goshuin? They have a Goshuin everywhere.
I mean, like here. Like here.
What?
In here.
Get this guy's way. We're bouncing away. I keep getting distracted, taking pictures and video, and poor Choco has to stop and wait and turn around and wait for me. Yeah, they're not slowing down. They're like, we gotta run over these tourists. Yeah. Oh, these are the fire monitors, which is they I don't know exactly how they do it, but several times during the year they well, one, they test them, and they it's like waterworks. Well, yeah, that's what I was. And then they in order to if there's a fire, then they can quickly put out the fire, you know, obviously because the thatch, it will quickly catch on fire. So, and plus obviously they want to preserve them.
In the summertime,
They test them.
turn on every single one of them in one day.
In one day. Can you witness that, or
You can come see.
you come see that? So that'd be pretty neat to see. I think Shirakawa-go is one of those places you really have to see all 4 different seasons of the year to fully appreciate it. Definitely during the winter is beautiful, but spring, fall, summer would be pretty cool too. I mean, look at this place. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Just, the locals are out here cleaning up the snow and working, making the living. Oh, look at the koi down there. I wonder if they're cold. You see the koi in here? Oh, that's a beautiful, beautiful view from here. It's gorgeous. We have to shake off the snow off our clothes. We're gonna go inside to the cafe and warm up for a little bit. Still too early to check into the hotel, so. Cool. You back? Okay. Oh, my hands got all soaking wet. Yeah, so we just had a coffee right there. This little coffee place. All they serve is coffee, but still pretty good. Plus, a good chance to warm up a little bit. Then go try to check in the snowplow over there. Just walk up for a little bit. Okay, so we heading back to the parking lot, and then try to check into our hotel. It's a little bit early, but hopefully they'll let us in, and hopefully I don't slip here. Whoa. There's nice suspension bridge. It does bounce around a little bit. Ben, one more time, look at this view.
Which one is it? Oh!
Alright, so we just checked into our hotel. The Onsen, Ryokan. You can grab the stuff that you need. That's tatami flooring all the way. They have a private onsen? Yeah. Ooh, yes. Choco and I, we're gonna get in the private onsen all together. Ooh. Right, Choco? Ah, she said. So she probably just leave. Oh. Oh, that's a nice little place. We're staying at a special place for Christmas Day, right, Choco? Oh, look at nice little beds. Look comfy. So this is our course meal that we got.
This is like a baked fish.
Baked fish. Okay. That's probably what I want.
This shrimp potato, I don't know what that is.
Shrimp potato? Oh, that sounds good.
エビ芋って書いてある。I don't know what is エビ芋
It's ebi himo. Shrimp potato.
I don't know that's shrimp in there or the...
It smells good and it looks good. Now this is round 3, I think. I don't know. The food just keeps on coming. But this should be it, right? And dessert. The Japanese dessert is always very small, so. But this is round 3, and after all the beef and sashimi and all kinds of other stuff. And now this is round 4, the dessert. Hi, Merry Christmas 2022. So we just spent the night at this really cool hotel Ryokan here in Shirakawa-go. The name of the place is Onyadu Yuinosho. It's a 3-star hotel with an onsen. Again, here in Shirakawa-go, just about a 5-minute drive to the actual old town. Snowing. We are heading towards Jigokudani, the monkey park, and Nagano. We're going to spend another night there at another Ryokan Onsen. Let's see how we do in the snow. As long as traffic's moving is fine, as long as they don't close the roads. They are very good at plowing. However, if you get stuck behind the plow, they literally drive side by side like 3 in a row at maybe 10 kilometers an hour. So, and it is about almost 4 hours drive from here at a normal pace. So we will see how it goes, and wish us luck.